This is a way to get a guaranteed demonstration drive. I've been doing this for over 20 years at this point, and I cannot remember a time when this didn't work. The buyer says they don't want to drive the vehicle. You can't just fight them. You can't just continue to ask them to drive it over and over again. Go into agreement with the buyer. No problem, buyer. You don't want to drive the vehicle? You don't need to drive it. This is a brand new vehicle, I understand. These are the nicest vehicles on the market. Why would you need to drive it? Come on inside and let's just show you the numbers. Sit the buyer down and tell them that you're gonna do whatever it is that they wanted to do. I'm gonna go talk to my sales manager. I'll get these numbers worked up and it won't take much time at all. Go to the desk and tell the desk you have somebody that just wants to see numbers or just wants to do whatever. And then walk outside with the keys and pull the vehicle up right towards the front door. And then you go to the buyer. I talked to my sales manager. They're working up those numbers for you. I got the vehicle you're considering pulled up front. Can we go outside and just take a quick look at it? I just want to make sure it's equipped the right way because the equipment's going to make a big difference in the price. Follow me. And then bring the buyer outside. Now you're standing in front of a running car. It's got the license plate already on the back. You got the demo agreement in your pocket and you are ready to go. When you get somebody that does not want to drive the vehicle, bring them inside, sit them down, start the write-up process. Tell them you're gonna do whatever it is they want to do. Get the keys, pull the car right up to the front, walk up to the buyer and say, "Follow me."